been sitting with these parts for a few days now, and I still don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with them. You know, the idea hasn't like come to me. Crap. Ow. I just don't know what I'm gonna do. Just no idea. Stupid mosquitoes. I just don't know. In all seriousness, this is a super nice box of medical grade stainless, and Roy mentioned to me that these were used in dental work, maybe. Either way, it's stuff I have not seen before, and I cannot wait to get these in the shop and get rolling. I'm shaping the mosquito's head, and I don't want this seam right down the middle. I find that having multiple different grits of flap discs, like I do my rough shaping with a 36 or a 40, and then I'll move into a 60 or 80, and then finish things off with the 120. It really helps me dial in the shapes and not leave a lot of unsightly scratches, especially on focus pieces like the head or the back or things that are right in your face. And Benchmark Abrasives has a full line of flap discs in many different grain sizes. So check them out. I got a link in the description, and thanks Benchmark for providing me with the flap discs to make this sculpture. Did you happen to see the hot white sparks coming off these pieces? That is a clear indication that this is some grade of titanium. Now here's the deal. Those sparks are extremely hot and extremely flammable. So if you're gonna do any grinding, machining, cutting, or milling on titanium, you need a Class D fire extinguisher around in the shop, readily available. If you let this dust collect into a small spot, it will ignite easily and quickly and burn extremely hot. So just a quick tip on titanium. Class D fire extinguisher, do not let the dust collect or settle anywhere, and don't use dust collection systems, because the titanium dust can get inside the system, create a little pocket of dust, and then poof, you have a very serious fire. So the mosquito was going well. I was going to use these for the legs. I can't use them for the legs anymore. So time to move on to other avenues and other opportunities. I'm building up a fleshy pad where or actually it'd be where her arms attach, her legs attach. So that's what that pad is. And plus it's going to help support the whole sculpture, because this split thin.
The North American Tigskito is a hybrid species, originally identified by Professor Leroy A. Crumrine. Once only found around the aerospace industry, they can now be observed in fab shops around the globe. Believed to be the only species on the planet that can metabolize pure argon from the surrounding environment, it uses this argon to purge some of the finest welds observed in the natural world. When resting, they are dead quiet due to operating in DC, but in flight they are easy to spot by listening for the distinctive high-frequency AC buzz. Once thought to be a pest, they are now identified as a major factor in the increase in weld quality over the past decade. Man, I'm so tired of reading this garbage. Hey, Leroy, did you write this trash? A new box each week. He's gonna make a new mystery box each week. We gotta sit here and do this every week. Oh man, he better pay us. I'm telling you, that boy better pay us. Cannot believe it. What is this? He wants me to read this. I'm not reading this. Subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future mystery boxes. I am Jason. This is Works by Hearst. This is a North American Tigskito. And we will see all of you in the next video. What is this trash? Man. Oh, God. A new mystery box every week. Jeez. I don't think he can do it. I don't think he can do it. I don't think he's going to be able to do it. I'm done. I'm out.